Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you a tool that can help you to boost your ad results with less effort. It's called Adsby or Adsby, and it helps you to automate and improve your Google Ads using AI. And yes, there is a lifetime deal on AppSumo right now. You can pay once and use it forever. Make sure to check the description below for the deal link and latest update. I will keep that fresh for you. So let's talk about that. Basically, Adsby is made for people who run ads but don't have time to check them every day. The tool connects with your Google Ads account and uses AI to analyze, fix, and optimize your ads. It checks your campaigns and gives tips to make them better, like changing keywords, stopping bad ads, or finding new opportunities. Now, question is, why is this helpful? Because managing ads is hard. Even small mistakes can waste a lot of money. Adsby help you to make smart changes automatically so you can get better result without spending of hours. It's great for marketers, small business owners, agencies, freelancers who run clients' ads. Now, is it a beginner friendly tool? I can say yes. You connect your account and Adsby shows clear advice in simple words. You don't need to be an ad expert. The AI help you to understand what's working and what's not. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. Normally, ads tool like this charge you monthly or even yearly. But Adsby is offering a one-time price on AppSumo. That means you will pay once and you are done. You can use it forever. So is Adsby worth it? If you run Google Ads and want better performance without stress, then yes. It is a smart tool. It saves time, saves money, and help you to grow faster. And finally, please check the description below to see if the deal is still active or not. These offers don't last forever. And thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and leave a comment and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.